Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a very nutritious recipe for those of you who are into gluten-free diet or who are into a vegan diet or want to keep your carbs low. This is a great breakfast recipe or you can use it for any meal. So let's start with half a cup of red lentils. This is the small broken red lentil. Half a cup of moong dal, half a cup of chana dal, half a cup of green split moong dal. And now I'm going to wash this with water and then soak this for about 3 to 4 hours before we do the next steps. So the dals now have been washed 3 to 4 times. I've rinsed this in water and now I'm going to soak this for about 3 to 4 hours. Meanwhile, for the filling, I'm going to finely chop half an onion and 1 green chili. The amount of green chilies you want is completely optional. Next, let's chop this green chili. You want it finely chopped. Let's also chop some cilantro. This is fresh cilantro leaves. The finer you chop it, the better it is. It just tastes better, it feels better. Next, I'm going to transfer all these chopped veggies into a bowl. All the veggies are in a bowl now. This is how your soaked lentils will look after 4 to 5 hours of being soaked in water. And now it's time to grind them. Pour the batter back into the bowl and now we'll allow this to ferment for about 3 to 4 hours. If you're in a hurry, you can directly start using the batter as is, but fermented definitely tastes a notch better. We are fermenting this. Do add salt to it. That should be to taste. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons and now let this sit in for about 3 to 4 hours. Next, we will add some grated cottage cheese or paneer into this mix. For the spices, let's start by adding some coriander powder. You don't want to add too much because even in the batter we will be adding some spices. Some salt to taste. Remember, there is going to be salt in the cheelas that we are making. Some red chili powder and some garam masala powder. Now mix these well. This is our filling which is ready that we can use in our cheelas or pancakes, whatever you want to call it. This is our grinded batter and it is also fermented. Not really much, but at least we kept it out for 4 to 5 hours. To this, I've added a little bit of salt to taste and then some cumin seeds. Give this a mix. And now we'll make our cheelas. Once your pan is heated, take about 2 big scoops of this batter and evenly spread it around. This won't be too thin because it is a thick paste. Try to make it as round as you can. There you go. Reduce the flame on a medium at this time and then add some oil. On a low flame, also cover this for about 3 to 4 minutes so that allows these dals to cook better. This has been cooking for about 3 minutes. And now, time to flip it. Allow this to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on this side. This should be cooked on the other side now, so we will flip it. Yes, that looks perfect. And now, time to put in the filling. So we made this filling using cottage cheese or paneer. Just put a few scoops on one side of it. You can also add other veggies if you like. Feel free to add some grated carrots, more green chilies, spinach, anything. The good part about this is the dals that we use have a lot of protein, and of course the cottage cheese is also full of protein. So this is a high protein meal. I'm using a non-stick pan, so yes, we did not use too much of oil. And now just slow cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes so that it's a little crispy and the inner filling becomes a little bit tender. And there, our cheelas are ready. You can serve this with ketchup, green coriander or mint chutney or any other dip that you like. You can also have it with some pickle or yogurt.